Hey guys, welcome to your next German video. Today we are having an exercise session where I'm going to spell phone numbers for you, like somebody might do it on the phone to you. And you should also get used to, understanding these numbers when they come in a quick succession. And once you go for your A1 test for the exam, they also ask you to do the same, to basically spell your phone number to the people who take your exam. Okay, so that's an essential part. You have to know it. So let's get going with the exercises. So the first phone number I want you to write down on a piece of paper. Afterwards I'll give you the solutions. The first phone number is, it's a mobile phone number. They always start like this: 0 1 7 0 8 7 3 5 4 3 2. Got it? So the next one is 0 1 6 0 3 8 4 7 7 6 4. Got it? Okay. So the next one is 0 0 4 9 1 3 7 9 2 7 7 3 5. Okay, and the next number is 0 0 9 1 1 2 4 3 5 6 7 8 8 8. Okay, and now the last one is 0 9 1 5 1 3 7 2 5 4 9. Okay, I hope that was not too fast for you. The worst case, just go back and listen to it again. Now here you can see the solutions. And if you like the video, if you like these kind of videos, these exercise videos, just drop us a comment, then we can also provide you more of that. In general, subscribe to our channel. We are uploading a new German learning video every day at the moment, and just drop us a comment what other content you would be interested in, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye.